What's going on, y'all? In our efforts to create the highest performance water block on the planet, I have something new I wanted to share with you guys. This is the triswift TR4 cold plate for AMD Threadripper and EPYC processors. It features the highest surface area in the water cooling industry. Although I'm a fan of ocular and heavy sediment coolants because of their great aesthetics, we don't recommend using these type of coolants with our triswift block. The reason being is there's a lot of surface friction inside a regular liquid cooling loop, with the water rubbing against tubing, inside the water blocks, going across angled fittings. All of this lowers the flow rate and thus decreases the coefficient of heat transfer. We do not recommend using heavy sediment coolants with our triswift water block, as it leads to lower flow rates and thus performance. Also, there will be a need to clean out the system more often with preventive maintenance. However, once you purchase a triswift water block, it's technically yours. So if you don't mind doing some preventive maintenance and taking a hit on performance, we can't stop you.